The Senate Committee on Energy tackled the skyrocketing electricity rates and long-standing reforms in the power industry. Presiding Senator Erwin Tulfo grilled officials from the Department of Energy and the Energy Regulatory Commission, or ERC, over soaring electricity costs. Among the bills discussed was Senate Bill 63, which amends the Electric Power Industry Reform Act, or EPIRA, lifeline rate. Other measures include Senate bills, all seeking to ease the burden on consumers.
We're at the mercy of the power generators, distributors. Pag tinignan mo ang electric bill, lahat pinasa na sa tao. Wala bang pwedeng sagutin? Pati mga systems loss, Panginoon ko, na nag-evaporate sa hangin, i-charge pa sa tao?
In its defense, the ERC said it only regulates half of the energy sector, which only contributes to 20 to 22% of the power bill charged. Stakeholders stressed the need for reforms that balance consumer protection with industry competitiveness.
Dito naman po supposedly gagana yung kompetisyon at sila mga competitors magpabababaan ng kanilang singil nang sa ganon ay makuha nila yung merkado, makuha nila na masuplayan ng Meralco, ang ibang mga kooperatiba, ang mga RES, ang mga contestable customers. Dito po sana gagana yung kompetisyon na magpapababa sa singil sa kuryente.